My name is Wayne Kacharski. I'm the Senior Vice President and CFO of Brickpoint Properties in Stoneham, Massachusetts. Brickpoint Properties is a real estate investment management company. We manage approximately 1,600 residential units and approximately 85,000 square feet of commercial and industrial space. We needed to find a solution for the replacement of the copper lines which were being abandoned by the telecommunication utilities. These devices were located in apartment buildings and elevators, boiler alarms, as well as the lobby annunciation panels. Ooma AirDial was the technological solution to replacing these copper lines.
Hi, my name is Matt Schellenberger. I am the CEO of Networking Now. I am the outsourced CTO for Brickpoint Properties. I manage all their IT-related needs. Installing the Ooma AirDial was very straightforward. Unboxed it, plugged it in, connected the battery. There were 4 lines on the back. We plugged each of the POTS lines directly into those, worked with support to verify that they see a dial tone, and then we tested each of our devices to make sure they had a dial tone and a connection out. Brickpoint Properties is using Ooma AirDial at 5 locations. At Brickpoint office headquarters, they use the Ooma AirDial for emergency phone services through the elevators. At 45 North and Terrace Estates, the boiler alarm alert system dials out to the maintenance staff over the Ooma AirDial. At Leisure Lane, the annunciator panels, which renters use to buzz people in and act as an intercom, is managed through and dials out through the Ooma AirDial. At Beacon Village, there are 2 pools, the adult pool and children's pool. Each pool has an emergency phone that dials 911 through the Ooma AirDial. One of the features that I really like about the Ooma AirDial is the portal. You have all the devices listed and it's set up in a way that you can sort by customer, by location, by individual device. You have a broad overview of all the products out, and then you can drill down to the very specifics of one device and see what's going on with that one phone number. I would recommend Ooma AirDial to anyone who's looking to replace or is forced to replace their POTS lines or copper lines coming from the telephone poles. It provides an easier place to manage, much easier to deploy than a POTS line coming in. And even if you don't need to replace it, there's an opportunity to save money.